Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to talk about the job vacancy. And believe me, guys, being very honest, even I really don't know whether on a cruise ship we have this kind of a job openings. Now, this opening is coming from the Carnival Cruise Line, and the agency which is recruiting is one of the biggest agency, and all the recruitment is free of cost. How you can apply? All you need to do is you need to go to their website and register yourself and apply for this job opportunity. So guys, without wasting time, I will tell you which job opportunity is there this time. So let's start this video.
Well, guys, the opening is for brewers. Now, Brewers. I hope I'm pronouncing correctly. So, brewers are mostly involved in beer making. Now, what is the requirement to apply for this job opportunity? So, you should have 3 years of experience, 10th pass, and fluency in English. That's it. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I will come up with more information and job vacancy about cruise ship and cruise ship life. So bye then, bye from Cruising with Goldy.